Hi everyone, you're watching Matt-Nergy. In today's video, we'll be focusing on electrons. Electrons, a tiny particle that is fundamental to all atoms. Electrons carry the negative charge and surrounds the nucleus that consists of protons that are positively charged and neutrons that are neutral. Electrons belong to a family of particles called leptons, along with muons, tauons, neutrinos. Electrons play a major role in all chemical bonds. There is electrovalent bonding, where an electron is transferred to another atom. The other one is covalent bonding, where electrons are actually shared between two or more atoms. Electrons are very important in the world of electronics. These tiny particles can stream through wires and circuits, creating currents of electricity. Well, electrons are very useful, especially in studying nuclear physics. I hope that you've learned something about electrons. For more information, please ask your prof or teacher.
Created using Powtoon.